So this is the Acorn Cap, and if you put your thumbs together so it has a space and then blow right across the knuckle, it makes a really loud whistle. That was just barely blowing. Like, you can do super loud. So I'm gonna try to make that. See if I can make it out of wood. And I can see I'm already not following it because I need to go back in. So I'm gonna start over here. There it is. So it's very high pitched. This one's a little bit deeper. All right, I'm gonna try and make another one. Try to make it quite a bit deeper. There we go. It feels like I'm doing such a big undercut, and then I feel it and it's almost straight. But that's a pretty good undercut. Make it a little bit deeper. It's a little ring bowl or something, but it could also be a whistle. Oh, shoot. I did not mean to break that off. I didn't go deep enough. Look, that's the bottom of the hole. Well, I wonder if we can glue it back on. Another thing I love about wood turning, the problem solving. That looks pretty good. All right, here we go. Oh, I like the sound of that.